Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Microstation CAD course. A comprehensive Microstation CAD course typically covers a range of topics, progressing from fundamental concepts to more advanced techniques. Microstation CAD course benefits. Sure, learning Microstation for CAD design can offer several benefits: versatile design capabilities, industry standard in certain sectors, interoperability, efficient project management, detailed and accurate designs, professional development and certification, BAM capabilities. Microstation CAD course employment. Proficiency in Microstation CAD can open doors to various employment opportunities across multiple industries, particularly in engineering firms, architecture and design companies, government agencies, construction companies, infrastructure and utilities, consulting and contracting services, education and training. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.